Space, the final deception, psyops, embezzlement scheme. NASA means to deceive in Hebrew, and NASA was founded by, all the recruits from the Nazis and whatnot. Anyway, long story short is we've been so psyops. Okay, so even Einstein. Okay, theory of relativity. What do the scientists say the whole time? We don't just like wishy-washy want to do. We have to see it to believe it. We've got to test it. We've got to have experiments. Well, you can't. Well, that's because it's the theory of relativity. It's so macro. It's so big. Okay, right. Yeah, gravity is so big. Well, it's buoyancy and density, right? And if you think about how much science we have to ignore, vacuum the air off the earth, not magnetic air, right? Okay, not very heavy either. And then also spin the water off a centrifugal spinning earth. No. And does water find its level? Except for when going around an ocean. But the Suez Canal is perfectly flat. Engineers are always doing things perfectly flat. All the airline routes, they make sense where they're fueling and stuff on a flat map. The thing is they've psyopsed us, and we can't go to Antarctica. Why not? It seems a little fishy. And it is fishy. It's very fishy, and it's because we did not go to the moon, and we are lying to the American people when we do that. But who's we? They print the money. They give it to their friends. They don't care. Anyway, but we should never be paying. We shouldn't be paying taxes when they're embezzling that much money. All that money could go right into taking care of us, their sheep. I mean, URU, EWE, YOU, and the sound is the science, not the spelling. Spelling bee stung everybody. Anyway, so what we really need to do is correct cosmology. Open your mind to the spinning earth, the flat water. The Navy can shoot a laser beam across, 50 feet above the water, but there's 660 feet of drop in 100 miles. But they can shoot a laser 100 miles and still be 50 feet off. Does a laser curve too? Well, it does. Of course it has to. It has to over the ocean. Okay. You have to ask yourself some questions. There's so much science that does not match, but we don't. I don't know how we missed it. I mean, seriously. But we were all underwater in the Piscean Age and just emotionally pulled. Hey, it's so big. And that's what they do. They just tell you things are so big when the sun's so big. But the sun and the moon eclipse each other perfectly because they are brother and sister. Son and sister, the Holy Ghost. Yeah, they're just the same size.